Let's see what we are going to study this week. Functions of a crankshaft. The crankshaft converts the reciprocating motion of the piston into rotary motion and transmits the torque to the flywheel. Materials. A crankshaft has to withstand the centrifugal force, the impact force by the piston, and the connecting rod. It is made of the following material: nickel steel, chrome vanadium steel, nickel chrome steel, nickel chrome molybdenum steel. Bearings. Bearings are used to support rotating components and to reduce friction between the static and rolling components. The following types of bearings are used in automobiles: shell bearing, bush bearing, ball bearing, roller bearing, needle roller bearing, taper roller bearing. Shell bearing. In this lesson, some more useful points are discussed on the shell bearings. They are stated as below: qualities of engine bearings, bearing materials, bearing spread and crush, bearing failures and remedies, connecting rods and camshaft bearings. Bush bearing. Bush bearings are made of copper lead, tin aluminum, tin copper, and used in the small end of the connecting rod, camshaft, oil pump drive, shaft, etc. Ball bearing. Ball bearings reduce friction between rotating parts to a minimum and can take radial as well as axial load. Roller bearing. These bearings can take heavy radial load but no axial load and are used in the final drive, flywheel, water pump, etc. Needle roller bearing. Needle roller bearing are similar to roller bearings except that the ratio between the length of the needle roller and the diameter of the roller is much more than that of a roller bearing. Taper roller bearing. These bearings are generally used in pairs and these can take axial and radial loads. Details of engine bearings. Engine bearings. These are also called shell bearings or sliding function bearings or precision insert bearings. These are largely used for free rotation of the crankshaft, connecting rods, and camshaft. Qualities of engine bearings. The bearing should have excellent fatigue strength, good conformability, fine embeddability, superior surface action, high temperature strength, adequate corrosion resistance. Bearing materials used. Different varieties of material now in use are tin base babbitt, lead base babbitt, cadmium nickel or silver alloy, copper lead alloy, aluminum alloy, silver lead. Advantages of using precision insert bearings. Variety of bearing materials may be used, desired structure can be obtained, control babbitt thickness is possible. Application bearing, failure of its causes, and care of maintenance. Application of the bearing. Bearings are different types depending upon the construction and direction of the load act on the bearing. Generally, bearings are classified into three categories: radial or general bearing, pivot or footstep bearing, thrust or collar bearing. Radial or journal bearing. Radial bearing supports the rotating shaft is a fixed position against the load acting perpendicular to the axis of the shaft. Pivot or footstep bearing. A pivot or footstep bearing supports the vertical shaft as its end. Thrust or collar bearing. Thrust bearing supports the rotating shaft against the side thrust of the shaft. Side collar are provided on the shaft to resist the side thrust. Bearing failures: fatigue failure, improperly seated bearing, foreign matter on bearing surface. Care and maintenance of bearing. Identify correct size of bearing for selected application. Clean the dirt, dust, rust, and metal particles on the bearing before use. Specified lubricant use for bearing lubrication. Replace the damaged, worn bearings. Crankshaft balancing. Firing order of the engine. Balancing of crankshaft. Internal combustion engines have reciprocating parts and they create vibrations when the engine is running. Balancing is achieved by removing materials in the crank web or by adding weight to the shaft between centers in a special balancing machine. Types of balancing. There are two types of engine balance: power balance, mechanical balance. Firing order. The sequence of power impulses occur rider engine is called firing order. The firing order in which cylinder deliver their power strokes is selected as a part of the engine design to obtain the best engine performance. Hi trainees, with this you have completed your week 27 of mechanic diesel.